Hey guys, Brandon here with Zobi Outdoors. It's new bike day. Welcome in guys. Today's new bike is the Beartrax 27.5-inch full carbon, full suspension fat bike from Framed Bikes. Let's put it together and I'll run down the specs for you. Alright guys, let's run down the specs on that Beartrax. So we went with the Beartrax NX Eagle carbon wheeled version. It's got 27.5-inch pub carbon rims wrapped around DT Swiss 350 hubs. It's also got an NX Eagle 1x12 drivetrain. We're running an 1150 in the back and we're running a Raceface turbine 32 up front. In addition to that, we also have a Fox transfer performance dropper post on it, W2B Volt saddle. And then the shocks on this guy are up front we've got the Rockshox Bluto RL 100mm, and in the back we have the Rockshox Monarch RT3 100mm. So we're really excited to get out and get testing this bike. So make sure you subscribe so you know, does it suck? Is it awesome? And if you have one of these bikes, make sure you comment below and let us know what you think. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Live outdoors.